back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. And we have the primary sponsor of AJ Allmendinger, Celsius Live Fit Energy.
Live Fit or Live Fit?
Live Fit, Live Fit.
It's probably Live Fit.
Live and live. Live and live.
Or is it L-I-V-E?
It's L-I-V-E. So, yeah. Anyway. Peach mango green tea non-carbonated.
If it's mango,
it's going to be interesting. We're going to like it, right?
We should. Anything with mango.
We should almost like it.
It's like awesome.
Yeah, so it's going to be interesting. So non-carbonated. It's going to be interesting to see what the texture on this is. Yeah. So we got ourselves. Why do you get the 10 signal? That's right. 10 calories in the entire can. We got 2 grams of carbohydrates, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin, 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, 300 milligrams of biotin, 10 milligrams of calcium D, interesting, 50 milligrams of calcium, 50 micrograms of chromium, and 0 milligrams of sodium, and we got ourselves 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
I believe it's from green tea extract, right?
Yes.
Caffeine, so it's a clean source of
green
caffeine.
tea.
Yeah,
So
I do like that.
This is going to be
Kinda
interesting.
like
Ooh, oh, it's got color to it.
mango
That can't be healthy. All those all
Dye,
those dyes. Actually, I think it's just natural color. Woo!
It's like
It smells.
Press the mango right into the can. It smells good from here.
Mm-hmm.
It reminds me of the smell of the mango packets you can get from Walmart for the drinks, for water. We'll have to turn some of this turn too.
It needs fizz.
We think, yeah.
It desperately needs fizz.
It smells wonderful.
It does. It does. The smell is great.
Yeah.
It desperately
it,
needs.
though.
It is good, but it desperately needs the fizz.
It reminds me of the energy drink packets you can get from Walmart. And
Right.
Put into your water. Which are super nice.
Yep.
I like it though. That's really good.
Yeah. It does have a slight weird texture that it leaves in your mouth, though. That's kind of
green tea. But I like it though. Very light, very refreshing.
Yeah, definitely. If you can get your mind out of energy drink
With
soda
carbonation.
mode, it is pretty good. So,
Right.
but if you're really looking for the soda sunsets,
No sparkles.
your tongue's going to be very confused about what you're putting in your mouth.
No sparkles there. No sparkles.
But it is very refreshing to drink, so that is nice. That looks
That's good.
really, really
I
good.
do like
So,
the mango
like
there.
that. No aspartame, no high fructose corn syrup, no sugar.
Yeah.
Pretty
It's
good.
clean, clean, clean,
Yeah,
clean.
pretty good. So, I'd say, for what it is, SRT, I'd say. 'Cause it's not one I'm going to go back and always want to grab. But it is very refreshing, though. It is very refreshing on that thing.
It seems
Maybe-
like a good quality.
Yeah.
It's got good
Quantity-wise,
taste. How
it
many
does.
calories?
10 calories in the entire can. So,
It does.
for that, it's really good. Yeah. I mean, you get that
Great
taste with 0 sugar, so that's pretty good there.
So for the quality of what it is, I think it's a good thing.
Yeah. So
Is it jam-packed full of the stuff that some people think will kill you that are in monsters? Yeah.
no,
But it still tastes really
it still tastes pretty good. So
There's no sparkle.
try it out and let us know what you think of the Peach Mango Celsius Live Fit with green tea.
We're pretty sure you like it.
Oh, it'll be pretty good.
AJ Allmendinger must like it.
It could. It could.
don't
I
think
hope
that's
he
the way
does.
pronounces his name.
He could just be getting sponsored though. You never know how those things work.
We should ask him what flavor is his favorite.
Yeah, that'd be interesting enough.
I'm sure we can.
I think he's
ring
been
him
trying
up.
the tropical vibe one is what he's drinking at the moment. But anyways,
I'm sure we can just put him up on
we'll
Instagram.
just, we'll just ask. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here next time.